Hello everyone, how are you today? Today it's lesson 38 in page 93. Well, today here, page 93, the section is listening and note-taking. Well, here today we will focus on note-taking. 노트-테이킹, 한국말로도 노트-테이킹 이러죠? So, note-taking, 요거를 좀 중점적으로 다루도록 하겠어요. Okay, here, question number 1. Well, before we do this, like question number 1, before we do this, well, I will just briefly summarize and how to, do some note-taking. 노트-테이킹 할 때 어떤 걸 좀 주의해야 되느냐? Well, I guess you guys already know many things about note-taking and well, so far, well, you have been to school and maybe you already graduated from school. Then you must have lots and lots of experience in note-taking in your whole life. But still, just let me just briefly explain more things. Well, especially when you listen to some things, like it's not that you are listening or attending some lecture, but you are listening to some English recording, 듣기 평가 같은 거 있죠? 그런 거 할 때 만약에 지문이 길 경우 어떻게 할 것인가 이제 거기에 좀 더 포커스를 맞추겠어요. 뭐 노트 이렇게 필기 정리하고 이런 거야 뭐 누구나 다 하니까. 그 중에서도 또 듣기를 할 때 중요한 것. Well, I want to say three important things. Well, first, the first one is like keywords. Well, keywords, well, that are important words. So if you listen to some conversation or some kind of recording, well, just try to catch the most important words from one sentence or from the context. 가장 중요한 단어들을 이렇게 뽑아내야 되죠. 그 중에서 이제 의미 있는 거, meaningful words, not just meaningless words like am or the. Well, those are not important at all, right? So just catch the important words, the key words, okay? And, well, in this case, because you guys are not typing, so it's important to just catch and write down a few or maybe more than a few key words. Because handwriting is a lot slower than typing. Maybe sometimes for some people, well, if you are very slow at typing, then maybe handwriting can be faster. But for most of people, I guess typing is faster. How about you? 어떠신가요? 저 같은 경우엔 타이핑을 대단히 빨리 칠 수 있거든요. Well, both. In Korean, in English, yeah, I type pretty fast. So handwriting, it's a lot slower than typing. So that's why you should catch keywords. 뭐, 다 받아쓸 수 없으니까 keywords만 써야 되겠죠? And another hint or clue is like initial. Well, I recommend that you guys use initials. Well, it shortens the time of handwriting. Right? This, instead of children, well, you just put C, then it's a lot faster, right? So initials, well, that's quite good method. And or as for names, like Mr. West, like West, instead of West, well, you can just write W. Then it's a lot faster, right? name인 경우에 좀 더 이게 더 useful 하겠죠? initial 자체가. 이름을 다 full name 다 쓰는 것보다는요. 그리고 만약에 이거는 it's just a tip well, from my own experience. Well, if there's a person like West, well, actually, the recordings we're going to listen to has some characters, and those, well, actually, they are husband and wife, and they are Mr. and Mrs. West. Well, in that case, just example. 웨스트 부부씨예요. 웨스트 부부씨. 웨스트 씨 부부? 뭐 이 정도가 돼 있죠? 그 웨스트라고 하면 원래 이제 이건데 이렇게 쓰면은 well, it takes long, right? So just W and like this. Wife and husband like this. So it's faster. Okay, and number three. blanks. Well, sometimes sometimes like just if they are about some individual just information, then it doesn't really matter. But if the flow is important, the consequence, like cause and effect, 인과관계라든가 어떤 스토리라인이 중요한 케이스에서는 well, it's important that you follow the flow, but sometimes you can kind of miss some important part. Well, sure, it can happen because the speaking is a lot faster than your handwriting. But if you miss some part, then just leave it. Leave a blank there. And then keep writing the next part. And then after you finish listening or writing, then you go back to that blank part. 그 빈칸으로 돌아가는 거예요. 그러고 나면 because you just left this blank in this flow or the chart, so it's a lot easier to remember what there was. 뭐가 있었는지 좀 더 생각하기가 쉽다는 거죠. 그러니까 flow가 중요한 내용에서는 이래서 이렇게 되고 이래서 이렇게 되고 이렇게 다 가야 되는데 중간에 시간이 없어서 못 썼다. 그런데 나중에는 기억을 해야 된다. 그러면 leave it there. 그리고 이렇게 쓰고 and after that you just like follow the flow and then there was something. Well, you can just fill in the blank later. Okay? 그러니까 나중에 missing part를 찾아내서 이제 거기다 쓰는 거죠. 그렇게 하면 또 이제 스토리 라인을 기억하는데 좀 더 쉽다. These are all just tips. And actually it depends all on you. Well, because you guys are the ones who will do this actually, right? So these are only just tips and whatever are convenient for you works. Okay? 좀 편한 거, 자신에게 편한 어떤 기술을 발견하면 well, actually some skills kind of work for some people, but not for others, right? So just whatever suits you. 뭐 자기가 맞는 거를 찾는 게 중요하겠어요? This is just kind of general rule. Okay, now that we just checked these rules, then let's move on to number 1. Well, the question here says you are police officers. Well, police officers. Just imagine that you guys are police officers right now and taking statements from witnesses. Like, well, one of their jobs are kind of investigating and taking notes from witness. 그 witness라고 하면 증인이죠. 이제 증인들이나 이런 사람들한테 진술 받아내는 police officer라고 생각하다 이런 얘기죠. The first one, 12.5. Here, listen to Kathleen Brady and take notes. Okay, this time, let's just do note-taking first and while we are listening to this recording. Okay, then let's listen to Kathleen Brady.
Okay, we argue sometimes, but not that often. Usually we just sit quietly and watch TV in the evenings. But sometimes we argue about money. We don't have much. So I get very upset when Kenny spends the little we have on drinking or gambling. He's promised to stop drinking, but he hasn't stopped. It's worse since he lost his job. Okay, we were shouting. But we didn't throw a chair at Mr. West. It just fell out of the window. And I'm really sorry that we woke the baby. We won't do it again. We love children. We'll babysit for Mr. and Mrs. West anytime if they want to go out.
Okay, well, actually, she was really, really cranky and she was really upset, right? But I don't really think she's sorry. Because the way she spoke was really not really kind, right? But anyway, so this is what I just wrote. This is my own note-taking. Well, actually, it's because I should write it here clean way. So that's why it's kind of clean and quite organized. But actually, this is what I did, just scribble. Well, actually, when you actually really do this, well, you kind of scribble. 그러니까 빨리빨리 쓰죠? 그러니까 막 개 날림으로 막 이렇게 쓰는데 이제 여기다가 이제 잘 보이게 하려고 I just wrote it just neatly, okay? Well, but originally it was really dirty. It is supposed to be dirty and messy, okay? But anyway, so here, of course, like I said before we listen to this recording, well, note-taking depends on just individual. So it can be all different according to people. But this is just only my note-taking. So, well, if yours is different from mine, then it's totally okay, okay? It's just an example. It's just a sample of mine. And there's no right answer for note-taking. 그리고 제가 한 거, 이게 좋은 건 아니지만, 뭐, 그냥 제가 했다. 저는 이렇게 한다. 그냥 이런 거지. 이렇게 하세요. 이거는 절대 아닙니다. note-taking은 다 개개인별로 하는 거니까요. Well, anyway, so here, well, Kathleen, well, she was really upset, and at the beginning of the recording, she said, like, okay, sometimes. She kind of really emphasized the word sometimes, so that's why I wrote sometimes. 너무나 강조를 해서 말했어요. sometimes란 말을. 그래서 제가 썼어요. Sometimes we argued. 이렇게 argue를 한다. 그래, 우리 싸워. 이런 얘기죠. 말싸움을 한다는 거죠. argue라고 하면. 그래서 sometimes I wrote it first and then, well, what did she do sometimes? And then, argue. So I just put this extra information right after sometimes. Sometimes argue. Just a hyphen here. 그러니까 먼저 듣는 것부터 중요 word, keywords만 있으면 되는 거죠. So sometimes argue. And here, money. Because in the recording, she said because of money problem, they argue. So, the problem is money. So I just wrote it. And here, actually, this is from math. 수학 기호죠. 저는 이걸 되게 많이 쓰거든요. 그러니까 어떤 인과관계를 표현할 때, cause and effect, or the reason why. And then the why. You all have your own like mark system. But for me, here, 이렇게 되면, 그러므로잖아요. 네, 그래서 이제 막 쓰다가 빨리 할 때 띵띵띵. 이렇게 해서 그러므로, 뭐라고 쓴다고요. 이거는 왜냐하면이죠. Because, blah, blah, blah. Right? And, well, if you can't remember, well, in my case, if I can't remember what I just said, or don't know what I just heard, or something is kind of suspicious, then I just leave like question mark. But there's no question mark here. 요거는 좀 어떤 문제점이 있을 것 같다 하면 이제 거기다가 이제 좀 question mark를 적는다든가 이것이 의문점이다 뭐 이런 거 있죠. 뭐 이런 걸 쓰는데, well, in this case, money, they argue, and because drinking and gambling, here H stands for husband. So Kathleen's husband likes drinking and gambling a lot. So that's why they argue. Well, here she first said like they argue because of money problem, like financial problem. So because they don't have enough money, especially when her husband spends a lot of money or some little money on gambling or drinking, then she gets extremely upset. That's what she said. 그러니까 돈 없는데 갬블하고 드링킹 하는데 돈 쓰고 그러면은 남자가 여자가 화가 당연히 나죠. 여자 남자를 떠나서 화가 나죠. 뭐 하는 거야 지금? 막 하면서 그러면서 이제 argue가 시작된다. 저는 이런 식으로 표현을 했어요. 그러니까 drinking하고 gambling 하는 그 subject 누가 하느냐? husband가 한다. 그래서 이제 H라고 썼어요. 자, 그리고 나서 요거가 이거가 더 나빠졌습니다 라고 표현을 했거든요. 그래서 이거를 다시 한번 쓰기 좀 그렇잖아요. Instead of just writing twice, I just like did this. I just put an arrow here. Well, drinking, gambling, these things got worse because no job. Well, job, X, like cross, 없다. 잡이 없어서. 자, 여기서 보면 뭐라고 얘기했냐면, well, since he lost his job, well, these things got worse. Well, before he had his job, then it was not that bad. But after he lost his job, well, everything got worse. Like drinking and gambling got worse. 이렇게 말했어요. 그래서 요거 표시했습니다. 자, 그 다음에 이제 chair. Well, she moved on to the next topic, like chair. And chair, not throw. Well, because she said, oh, as for chair, well, I didn't throw the chair. 내가 그 의자 안 던졌어요. 이렇게 얘기했어요. 그리고 나서 the important thing she said was like, it just fell. 그냥 떨어진 거예요. 그 뭐 말이 되나? Was just the chair just fell out of this window? 창문 밖으로 그냥 떨어지네요. chair가 약간 it doesn't make sense, right? But anyway, that's her excuse. 변명인데 그럼 거기서 throw 하지 않았다. 그리고 그냥 떨어진 거다라고 말을 했는데 actually when I wrote this, I kind of missed the part. I didn't have enough time to write like fell. So I just here just wrote this only. 이것만 써놨어요. 그래도 이것만 쓰고 빨리 이게 기억이 가셔지기 전에 다시 가서 이렇게 다시 정리해서 쓸 수도 있죠. fell. 떨어졌다고 얘기했었지 참? 하면서 다시. 그래서 fell 했다. 던진 게 아니고 내가 던진 게 아니야. 그냥 떨어졌어. 의자가. 자, 그 다음에 love, child. Well, actually she said children. But when I wrote this, like children, well, that's a quite long word. So child까지 쓰고 이 뒷부분을 이렇게 찍 그었어요. 만약에 if a word is too long, then you just write the first part of the word and then just put some hyphen there. Well, then you can actually remember afterwards. 그러니까 children인데 쓸 시간이 없어서 제가 child까지 쓰고 이렇게 팍 이렇게 해버린 거죠. 이것도 이제 제 방식인데 여러분도 써주셔도 좋을 것 같아요. 그래서 she said, we love children at the end of this recording. And she said, like, this is like Mrs. and Mr. West. W 쓰고 점 찍었죠? 이 West. 그 웨스트 씨 부부 정도가 되겠어요. Mr. and Mrs. West. And here, babysit. Well, she said, like, we love children. So whenever these people, like Mr. and Mrs. West, want us to babysit, then we would love to do that. Well, that's what she said. 애기 너무 좋아하고요. 맡겨만 주시면은 언제든지 베이비시트 해드릴게요. 이렇게 얘기를 했죠. 그러나 이렇게 상냥하게 얘기했나요? 아니죠. 베이비시트 해준다고! 이렇게 얘기했죠. 아주 막 되게 막 화내면서 누가 애를 맡기겠습니까? Anyway, so she was really, really upset and cranky, like grumpy. Okay? Well, so we just did this note-taking for Kathleen Brady. And now, this time, let's move on to next case. Well, this case, listen to Ann West and take notes. Well, here Ann West is Mrs. West, wife. So that these people are living right next to Kathleen Brady's place. But there was a conflict, right? 지금 conflict가 있는 상황인 거죠. 그래서 Kathleen part 들어보고 그다음에 Ann West는 어떻게 생각을 하는지 그 파트를 들어보면서 well, let's take notes again. Okay? Okay, now this time, let's listen to Ann West.
Every night, it's the same thing. They argue all the time, and we can hear every word they say. During the day, it's not so bad because they're both out. But in the evenings, it's terrible. Usually, they start arguing about which TV show to watch. Then, he slams the door and goes down the street to a bar. Last night, he came back really drunk. He was shouting outside his front door, "Open the door, you, so-and-so." I won't tell you the language he used, but she wouldn't open it. She opened a window instead and threw a plant at him. Tonight, she threw a chair at my poor husband. They're so selfish. They don't care about our baby one bit.
Okay, so how was this? I guess she was a bit overreacting. Maybe she isn't, but the way I see it, she was a little bit too emotional right now, like exaggerating things. But anyway, this is what I did. Well, she said every night, so I just wrote it and argue. well, they argue every night. And every word, what this means, like she said, we could hear every word they said. So I just wrote it. And then they, okay, night, XXX, because she said, like, during the day, it's kind of okay. Well, the reason why, do you remember why? Well, it's because they are all out. So they don't stay in the place together, so they don't argue. So during the day, okay. But at night, the problem begins. It's terrible, she said. So because it's terrible, I just put triple X. Maybe you can just put double X, like terrible, like this. And then after that, she mentioned like what the problem was between these two people. So according to her, usually they start their arguments over what kind of TV show they want to watch. Like, what TV show you want to watch? No, I want this. I want this. Like, they just keep. Or sometimes, like, women, well, I don't know. Like, guys always complain about this. But is it true? Well, they complain that women usually, actually always flip the channels. They keep flipping the channels. 채널을 자꾸 바꾼다. 그거 갖고 싸우죠. 왜 이렇게 좀 가만 내비둬? 여자는 계속 좀 보고 막 툭툭툭툭 이거 갖고 싸우잖아요. 리모컨 서로 뺏고. 사실 the case is the case, right? For this like Kathleen Brady and her husband. So, according to Ann West, they start their arguments over TV show to watch. Well, instead of TO, I just put two. Like, two. 그러니까 뭐, what TV show to watch? 어떤 거 볼까? to 대신 이제 쓰기 바빠서 그냥 요렇게 썼어요. Well, here, H, well, that means husband. Well, husband went to a bar, and last night, husband came back drunk. And he kept saying, like shouting, like, open the door, like this. Well, here actually, according to what Ann West say, well, the husband said, open the door, you, so-and-so. And she added, like, I can't even use the language he actually used. 그가 한 말을 내가 말할 수도 없어요. 입에 담을 수 없는 그런 말을 했어요. 그래서 여기서는요, open the door, so and so, 그러니까 뭐 거시기 이렇게 말했어요. 이렇게. 그러니까 욕을 했다는 거죠. 뭐 뭐 이런 얘기 했겠죠. open the door, you 이렇게. 그런데 이제 그거 대신에 이 아줌마는 되게 교양 있는 아줌마인 것 같아요. 그래서 이제 했다. 이제 그 부분 잠깐 봤고요. 그럼 다시 가서 이제 open the door 했는데 안 했다. Well, she didn't open the door. And window instead of the door, she opened the window and she threw a plant toward him. Well, actually, at the end of the recording, she mentioned like the woman, like living next door, actually even threw a chair onto my poor husband. 우리 불쌍한 신랑한테 의자도 던졌어요. 뭐 이런 얘기까지 했었는데요. 그 부분은 제가 안 썼어요. 그냥 막 이렇게 쓰다가 바빠서. 그런데 well, in this case, if you want to add that information as well to this, then right after you finish listening and taking notes, well, actually you can put more information at the end, right? But I just didn't. Yeah, I think I can remember, so I didn't. But it's all up to you, like I said. Okay, this time, well, we just did for Ann West case as well. But how about, looking at the differences between these two people? Well, actually, the situation is just one. What happened was one case. But these two people have different statements. 다르게 진술하고 있죠? 뭐가 진실일까? Well, actually, if there is a conflict between people, you should listen to both parts together. Well, if you just listen to one part, then your opinions will be biased, or you will have some kind of prejudice against the other person. So you are supposed to listen to both parts. 두 분 다 들어야 되는 거죠. 안 그러면 bias bias라고 하면 이렇게 사선인 것을 bias라고 하죠. 근데 biased 하면 뭐 사선이 된 좀 뭔가 삐뚤어진 편견을 가진 뭐 이런 얘기가 되겠어요. 뭐 왜곡된, 뭐 distorted 뭐 이런 얘기가 되는 거죠. 자, 그러면 여기 잠깐 비교를 한번 해볼게요. 그 Kathleen Brady, she said they argue sometimes, but according to Anne, they argue all the time, every night here, every night. And according to Kathleen, they fight over financial problem. Well, especially when he drank or gambled, the fight started. But according to Anne, no, they don't fight over something like that. They fight over what channel they need to watch. 어떤 TV쇼 볼까? 그거 갖고 싸우더라. 이 얘기로 충돌됐었죠? 자, 그리고 그 Kathleen 같은 경우에 actually she denied that she threw some chair. She said, no. As for chair, I didn't throw it. It just fell. 그냥 떨어졌어요. 이렇게 얘기했죠? I guess she's just lying. And Anne West, she said, well, she threw plant, 어떤 식물, 그러니까 화분 한번 던지고, 그 다음 어떤 날에는, 어젯밤 같은 경우에는, my 신랑한테, my husband한테, she even threw a chair. 이런 얘기죠. 그래서 그런 difference가 있었어요. 그리고, the one more thing, what Kathleen says, actually, they love children. They care about children a lot. So if Mr. and Mrs. West want, well, they would love to babysit their baby. But according to Anne, well, she said, they don't care about children. They don't care about our baby one bit. Not even a bit. 조금도 신경 쓰지 않는다. 이런 얘기 했었어요. Okay. So today we listened to the 2 recordings and did some note-taking. 그냥 제가 한 거를 그냥 직접 보여드렸는데요. I hope it was useful and helpful for you guys. And if there's any good way that suits you, then that's the best way. Okay? Then, as for note-taking, this class, I will wrap it up here. And then, have a nice day and see you next time, okay? Bye.